Hi friends! Welcome to my math world. I'm Ellie, the little mathematician, and today we are going to learn something super cool, adding with carryover. You already know how to add small numbers like 3 plus 2, right? That's easy. But what if the numbers are bigger and we run out of space in the ones place? What do we do? Let's find out. Let's begin with place value. Every number has different places. Let's look at this house. The right side is called the ones place, and the left side is called the tens place. Number 18, 8 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Look, the number 10, 0 is in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now, let's try a tricky sum. 27 plus 5, okay. First, we add the ones place. 7 plus 5. Let's count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, 12 has 2 digits. What do we do now? Don't worry. Here's the magic trick. We can't fit both digits in the ones place, so we keep the 2 in the ones and carry over the 1 to the tens place. That's why we call it carryover. Now, let's add the tens place. We already had 2 in the tens, and now we add the 1 we carried over. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. Yay! Let's try another one. What is 46 plus 8? Again, as we know 6 plus 8 is 14, we will write 4 in ones place and carry over that 1 to tens place. Now let's add 4 and the carried over 1. We will get the final answer as 54. Great job! See? Carrying over helps us when our ones place gets too full. Remember, when adding big numbers, 1, add the ones place first. 2, if the sum is 10 or more, carry the extra digit to the tens place. 3, add the tens place, including the carryover number. 4, and TADA. You get your answer. Now it's your turn. Try adding 38 plus 7. I am giving you some time to add. How much you got? Yes. That is right, it is 45. That's it for today, little mathematicians. If you had fun learning, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more math magic. See you next time. Bye bye.